Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here, tutoring Draw Manon from Katseye. So let's get started. To draw cute Manon, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across about this wide and draw another circle. There. So now my two circles in, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. So now the eyes in, I'm going to come to the sides right here and just spruce them up a little bit here with some lashes. Maybe another one. And same thing here. And then let's draw her brow. So I'm going to come up to say about right here and I'm just going to draw a soft arc over her eye. And just sticking it up. And same thing on the other side. So about right here. There. And then let's give her a sweet smile. So right about in the center area, about right here, you go ahead and draw a curve and bring it up. And cap it off. So now that we have that, we're going to find the center and we're going to go up to kind of where her hairline would start. So I'll say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to imagine I'm drawing an oval. So I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to curve and go all the way on the outside of her eye. Kind of hitting her lashes. So same thing here. All right, there. So then as we come down here, I'm just going to start wobbling our way down. So same thing here. And then just as usual, when we need to draw our face, it usually starts about right here and we're going to come down around the eye. So it's going to come out about right here to start her face. So same thing on the other side. And I'm going to start a curve coming down towards the center. So let's say about right here. And then same thing on the other side. Just finish it off and connect. There. Okay, so now that we have that, we can come back to the center. About right here, we just draw a parting line to about there, and then we're going to go up, soft curve, and then come down. And same thing over here. So as we come down, it's going to be kind of slanted on this side. A little bit more slanted. And then as we come about right here, we're going to start to wobble. To give her texture in her hair. And if you like, you put in some parting lines right there. And I'll finish the rest of her hair later. Let's draw her body. So I'm going to come right here and give her a little neck and come out. Same thing here. And then let's come down to say about right here, just before her shoulders kind of round off. And then we're going to come down to say about right here, this area, and just draw in an angle line. There, approximately right there. So let's bring this in a little bit more to where, kind of where her waist would be. So before we finish all that, let's come about right here. Just show arms about right here. And I'm just going to draw a soft curve going across. Then I'm going to come up right about right here and draw this triangular shape coming down to the bottom. So same thing on the other side. Towards the center. There. And then we can draw in a strap. And same thing here. Okay, and then I'm just putting a little detail right here to make it a little bit thicker. And then now that we have that, let's come back right about here, and we're going to pop this part out. And we're going to start her hips. So now that we have that, let's bring this down. And we're going to start by coming about right here. And I'm just going to draw a curve going across. And then we're going to come back one more layer. And then another layer. So this part right here is going to be the waistband. So I'm going to come right here. And this is like her underwear part. So this is going to be white. And I'll just put straps right here. So we know that that's a waistband. And then we're going to come down to say about right here and just draw angle line. And then we can start her pants. So they're very wide leg. So we're just going to come down. So just work on this side first. It's about, let's see how far we need to go. Maybe about right here. And then I'll cut it off and connect. And so same thing on the other side. So go out for her wide pants and connect. There. And then for her shoes, we're just going to simplify it right about here. Curve a little bit and then round it off and bring it in. So same thing on this side. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's draw her arms. So I'm just going to have them on her hips. So let's say about right here. Curve down her shoulder, so about right here. And bring it in. And then her hands. So let's go ahead and thicken everything up. Bring it in, and then down, and then a finger. So same thing on the other side, about right here. Just going to drag this across so that I'm bending around the same area, and our hands are going to be here. So then, once again, same thing, just sticking it up. and finger. There. Okay, so then let's go ahead and finish her hair. And we're just gonna wobble, wobble, and just kind of tuck it in so that we don't have to draw too much. And then since we might have some, you can either leave it like that or I'm wondering, should I make it like her hair? You know what, let's just leave it like that. I think it's simpler without drawing anything inside. Okay, and then for some details, let's give her a heart necklace. So draw a heart right there and connect it. And then for some details, let's see, right here in the center for her jeans. Pocket. And I think she has like this chain going down right here, curving down. And then she also has this beautiful chain that goes on her waist. So just do this like in a gold color, but I just want to kind of show you. You just wrap it around right here for that chain on her waist. And then let's see if I'm missing anything. I think that is pretty much it for this drawing here of Manon Bannerman from Katseye. She's my last Katseye member, and so I really hope you've enjoyed all the drawings I've done of this girl group and that I've helped you draw it fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw Stay Cute videos. See you later.